challenges to deal with many issues that affects funding in our sports generally. We have had instances where the ministry I superintend over has been described as a football ministry because funding is mostly secured to support just football. When indeed, when we talk about sports, it goes beyond football. There have been many attempts to put together a funding system that will enable the ministry execute its program by bringing on board many more sporting disciplines and supporting them. Cabinet, in its wisdom, gave approval for this bill to be submitted to Parliament for Parliament to consider it so that for the first time the country will have a sports development fund. A fund that will draw from many sources as indicated in the bill that has been laid before this House, that when approved, we will not have the challenges of funding our sports, and sports will grow to bring about development and support other progressive activities that we do in this country. Mr. Speaker, with these short words, I believe that this will suffice the request of the Deputy Minority Whip and the rules of the House. Thank you.
Okay, and I know I am Minister the Mass Sports and Recreation Nhyira Kofi Adams Nhyira Ebra ko Parliament and now this ankomi and so ekotu ewiase nyina and so anim semo Jeff do timem so almost say sound minim say bia say motimi arrestore on back dia na yemfa ntro dwumade ni so ema hefo ni yeti for na me bo minister asam no etofa ade amamu minister say ono asoye na odan no na aye sports no I mean before no babakra no problem pa Ghana ni bia enim ami say meti ami nim and sa de ba ko pa ha aye sports no aye founding say ye nya sika de awuram na ye pushi ade na ma ba bi e pese ko ade no kokoduru no eno so ebeka koduru enti o se so obe ha asoye no nka aye sports na so sa ade na kwa football because he can't say any ho did there be answer sika no football nko a na so nka sports no ana ade na go beyond football nko a so ba say sika 70 there be answer football no nko a na oman no ye ni edi eye akire eno ntino say one eye naban through the cabinet no omo atena a amu feel say some dey hihye bi bad na indina na ye pe kwan a ye be foso a ye betimi I put it together a funding system na ye de aboama ya gudi ensam no so no etimi enso akọ ayenkan enu ntino say it has been approved by the cabinet approve say on fasa abeli emra aye parliament amo atuni den sports development aye fund na amaboa say na bia ye betimi anya sika na de awura ya gudi anim na da bia no enko say sika 70 as ya restrict ade na to football nko a ene eja other disciplines no enti obompaye say parliament nso ebetena so no mo abobo ho na beli yetimi dia baba yemra na yenina no ye de aboama yen football no sorry yen sports no enso etimi akọ aye enkan Ayala, I think this is a good news am so dia waka say ade ba ko a how men aye founding as a bibia na yen sports na akọ football because ikasam no aye problem yem pe kwan a ye be fa so a ye betimi tietie ska na de wura aye dwumade nim ti minister am say we de watwa fufu watwa nam de ato evu no so na the normal games na na
no
no
this is different
very different now
enu anwumre menam ex no so na me hu say Honorable Kofi Adams posted a video of himself or presenting a bill in Parliament. Na odi enije a caption say ene, which is enrano. He was able to lay the bill to Parliament say sports fund ayaka no Parliament enshim na omunye 1 or 2 changes send ye be suit ade no na finally omo ewie process na omo dey fam na ometimi a pass. Rich, something kicked me inside. Bibi,
I too.
I hate Omimu. I was very, very happy because Rich, I have been a one-man campaigner for this sports bill for close to 8-9 years. And some are making Obia on my ear, Bia will attest to the facts from time immemorial. And I am very, very happy. Now, baby, in Komona Kwakodruno, and I want to remind Obia why I am for this, and I have campaigned for it all my sports journalism life. Rich, Ahayati office Ahaka studio ya program kitwe. Uko school, you may have your background of study. Mimiko school, no. I majored in psychology. Fiifi did pharmacy. But Rich, today, what put food on the table for Yaya me and saying, among any other thing, sports journalism. Sports is feeding us. Obia wotie mi bia. Your favorite sports shows are wotie obia TV, radio. All those sports presenters, ni analysts, ni hosts, ni commentators, ni obia wono background of study. Metimi aka say, Rich, 99.9% of them are related to any sports studies. But today, sports puts food on their table because they are practicing sports journalism. Now, Rich, over the years, the reason why I have always reiterated, say, Yama sports win say the other sports, other sectors of the economy, and they say it is so easy to link any other industry to human development, but one sports industry, we don't do that argument well. I remember a few examples. Everybody will say yemfes cancer agriculture. Say even when scandals bawa, cocoa spraying scandal, fertilizer scandal, wewe scandal, cocoa was scandal, weba. Nobody say, oh, because of catastrophe prayer na say bibi boni bi ayeka wasem agriculture muntino efineko ama buy me invest in agriculture wuda unim de dia. Nobody ebe kasa asem no, because in the wisdom of Obiano, Rich, ye jai invest in agriculture, ye be doing. What will we eat? Ye better na and you agriculture de mayina, how will we be able to survive as human beings? See jai invest in agriculture. So you see, the first thing I'm going to be idea where we here. And when you are able to link it to human development, now I say, the same thing for education. Hey, you better you Macmillan scandal, GS scandal, way scandal. Rich, nobody in his right senses will say we shouldn't invest in education. Rich, now you invest in education. Your man, your woman, your young son, I ain't for the cocoa there. How will we be able to educate the nation? And if free education, we will be in financial crisis. People will say, let's implement it. Let's put more money into education. Health. Look at the scandals at your health. Look at news items and free health system no move. But who in his right senses will say, oh, enunti, I'm investing in health. Investing in health. How will you be able to live? Oh, yeah, I'm going. Dr. Behon, I'm going for a draw. And it is easy for all the other sectors to link it to human development and say, because at the end of the year, I want to so a new passo. Any development in tea, yet to mean jai investing in it. But rich, yeah, sports industry, you know. We've not been loud with how we must link sports to human development and make it known to the people. Say the same argument you make for health, agriculture, and biano. Yes, you may make it the same thing for sports. Now let me lay it to Ebiname for my last time beyond, I was watching Asamoah na obie Parker oko esi wa kraka.
Accra Academy.
Ano.
That answer to have been.
Rich. The celebration. Say, old boy be of free school emu. Abesi park. One person no. I'm a school no. Any the way they were celebrating him. Only the first question I asked myself. I can't get in school too. There are a lot of people who have passed through the school. Probably ABNT. But Rich has said Obuko Academy na story no what on Kanamintie. Say there was once a science student at Accra Academy.
I know where a doctor.
Who are rising to become a doctor. And then they will see a whole science lab at their school. No? There are no stories like that. Meaning say, if you have a penny, Rich, I've not heard. Say, Obi ko school now a lawyer, and that's what we see on what we see library. I will say now this whole what I am saying is a Rich. Sports has feed people who under normal circumstances Rich and Cabra assassination. And the impact of sports etimia pejomo any independence wanna say and so any be dino Rich time will not permit me.
I can't say I can.
Then
as a modern say I can't say I can ask my
the number of people
as a modern home.
What do you say? Rich, well, would see me be wrong. Just find that one example in your community. Obia, through sports, one rise. Bon company kohenechi. Baby o free. Nekache me say, Sankanya sports. And Kasani Pakon Kobede to Hiase. Up to the bush in every say Yanase. Rich.
And when my dear back was home. In most cases, sir, players number a casino. Do na over Conechipano.
Who don't players? Any players in Go? Boxers, athletes,
because baby, you free.
Sports are phoning now. I don't know where money Paka is coming from. Pacman. Pacman, at a point in time, Tamono,
Philippian.
Not on jots on the street, jots. 5'5" necking size. On the street. Look at Sadio Mane today.
I know I feel too rich.
Only baby of free. I saw a country and call generation foot. At Ayala and Canada. Boot to Crown will be.
We boot on the air trials. Yeah.
Rich. This guy about Tottenham Hotspur, Richarlison. Richarlison at home ice cream.
South Americans no crowd.
I said them Kofode. Fine ice in it.
South Americans crowd
Rich. And Omun chain. If you are able to get the Ghanaians to tell you their stories, when they bring this guy right back who Blasters, Ali Dusedu, bring him to the studio and let him tell you his story. Bring every player, be among who Blasters and even Kotoko players, you can bring them and let them tell you their stories. Then you will know, say, and what says, yeah, what sports industry, we must tell people, say, look, sports, any human development, any the impactor, and they bring nipa elevation, you need more than what you have done.
Kofi?
Yeah, Rich. I think Zenia
is a good news.
That is why it has to be aggressive. You see, whilst it's good news, and we come from a country, a third world country. I'm not too sure, but at least we're a developing country. Now, developing country near there are certain aspects that compete with sports. Bread and butter, it competes with sports a lot. And if we can bring more people that will do the Asamoah and Maye, that will do the Kwesi Maye for us, that will do a lot of things. Rich, I mean, this story that people are talking about. When time was in John school, that's that time na Samuel Inkumu Afa, my physics teacher, chair my physics. Near friend of Pastor Josiah. Or no Ena Kotoko Maxwell Bakon Efanisem, Kelvin Ando. All of those boys that come from the Western region, they pass through them. I have seen baby Otse, Nadibia, Wawario, and the boys need nothing in chain. Justice Blay. Okay. All of them. Justice Blay, Justice Blay was my junior in St. John's. So, when we were in a physics class, the very first time where players like Samuel Nkuma backlash will be big bundles of money for Josiah, Prof. Josiah. So, sports really does influence. But see a bit to me at this level of a sports fan where it goes at, which the political would needs to be very aggressive. It can't be another lip service being. It can't be the minister again telling us ABCD when they are not clear. We need to be honest. Which the dedicated sources of fund I am waiting keenly.
I say there are parliamentarians in Islam.
But in that bill, whoever brings that bill, and this time it's coming from the sports ministry, of course, with thumbs up from cabinet. It means that in that bill there is a dedicated sports source of funding. After the debate, smooth line is Rich, if we're able to find a dedicated source of funding, whether it's going to be from corporate Ghana, whether it's going to be from taxes, which the average Ghanaian doesn't want to be here, we need to eschew and go beyond politics. See, you develop a sponsor. Rich, we need the money because the sports fund, sports bill, all of those things. It's about money. Sika, I bet media go for another Asamoah. If they are seen to Kumso, I bet me ako achimoda old town. Ediasa, I go for another boy every morning board. Give him a place to sleep so that he can realize his dreams. So that almost any person will go back to Ediasa to go and help the people there and construct a 500-kilometer road to help us as a people. That is what we are looking for. So we need to be very aggressive because the stories are compelling. Rich, many will be a sports stories at Shewa. One year you know be close to tears. I'm saying that, Rich, beyond even the footballers, even for us who gets the privilege to talk about football, the kind of social capital we wield. If God blesses you and you're able to do that for years, you change your family and you change the people close to you. I'm telling you.
Many players are meant to be money.
Yeah.
Bonus stories are.
Which
Mr. Baby, me say.
Yeah.
I sure some now or catch him on Fabian Cahons. Rich. We can't do much.
Look, Rich, me say, but for
so sad.
Rich, but for I've worked in other industries.
To the extent or say sometimes, ne Phoebe bang baby are not no. Or na ma me abu bi to. And also ma me hunu bia abranti. What's a me yadodo. Nti enwumre bia ya abrame no aduane a me gya wo kakra no abedi. Ti di abro woni bedi no wo agya ne kakra.
Bibiri ho. A lot of these compelling stories, which may seem every time you're king fights out. There are a lot of players that you come point because maybe you're better creating.
Charlie.
I'm going to be free. Volta region by rich. Me who be that? That boy, I'm saying that one day we'll game against Kotoko FA Cup. Everybody spoke of him. Fair boy, young, rich. He was good. Make I that time. None agent pay 7,000 cedis from Alaji. Alaji felt like no $7,000. That time no. But of course 7,000 yeska. Rich. Today he has had to go back with a teacher. No disrespect to teachers, but football probably could have taken him to levels. That you could have built a new teaching complex or maybe a free banner. And that's the thing, for us to stop people succeeding in football only to faint into Ashenia. Ghana has to be very successful in football. Ne Nyamiadom. Ne lack. Nyamiadom good, but it's the same Nyamiadom Nama in Yansa to put measures in place and we will get a whole conveyor belt of players ever. Oh, Nani Papa Kwenya right to dream because of fund and the right usage of the fund. And then he plays a free over. So it is important.
No, sir. Enya football should be this year Thomas Party. What he has now? No, 350,000. It's a million right.
Yeah.
Kofi there. I mean, Abuja from a country.
Yeah.
Omomiti UK. A week. 350,000 pounds a week. Oh, I do my banner.
We
can't get that money.
Also, we have a lot of story changing from a member football.
Yeah.
Now, Nyamia Yadom, Yamma football no. And so see the same track. And we will get Esther Nyameche Comfort Yabuamu, Doris Boaduamu to also come, Grace Asantuamu to also come and invest in Ghana. And to both shop where why the almost way Grace Asantuadia or Kobo professional football Mexico no. Nisika Kakra Onya and or the BSR restaurant way, Sano Mano. Rich, me say, sports have the tendency. Say, o yen ye na o de bata say enipa betimi anya mfaso afri mu a enu nti yenye ne ye ne yemfa sika nhye mu a na ebetima be change a enkofo lives a that is where we get to now. Sa no mo we nyina e di gu akwa mu nyina no, the framework must be solid. Last time I catch you say, Rich, could you believe say Real Madrid to Endrich ononkwo Enrique Nkwa is giving the Brazilian Ghana the GRE Revenue Authority. Enrique Nkwa calculation of taxes I remember into Brazil economy no 15 million euros. Nipa back one player one. And imagine say we have sports fund.
Yeah, players.
You invest very, very well. Now, am I the basis to do sports very, very well? Now, Rich, yet Mimpo a ton player. Now, after we are getting a returns of tax. Would the bare minimum $500,000 as taxes. The number of players we are able to ship out within one season. Rich, sports on Fasudiano.
I'll say this is the kind of documentary you sport journalists should always show. I say, Oko Abrocheni Adias, and the documentary.
How did you know? Rich, again, I didn't know Park Makoton is great. I didn't know the story of Sadio Mane. Yes, that is what I'm saying, you know. Okay. We are not loud enough. And any small amount of it, Sikaka Kremi or sponsor, we are agitated.
Extra balance, Pamcho, MTN, any firm's capital, Dama, Nomade, Abame, Patron register, Bia.